Good morning. Welcome to Tots and Touchdowns. I would like to admit my cruise addiction. It is the salted caramel coconut latte in the adult section in the Cove. Get yourself. Good morning. Sorry I'm sunblind. I squint in the sun. Today we are at the U.S. Virgin Islands, and the plan for today is to go snorkeling again. I grabbed some coffees. I'm addicted to the salted caramel coconut latte over here in the Cove Cafe in the adults only section. So every morning I have to come get it. And I will say their little stamp machine thingy's not working this morning, or hasn't this whole time, but it's fine. Oh, I see senior frogs. Weird memories. But anyhow, so today is, last night was Pirate Night. I have a ton of video of that. Tonight's just our Facebook group's doing a happy hour, so I'm excited for that. And then tomorrow is at Sea Day, where my daughter's going to be Princess Tea. So stay tuned for that. All the fun that is about to be had today. Oh, yesterday we snorkeled at Norman Island. It was so good. So good. So stay tuned. It's snorkeling again. Ah, there she is. Isn't she a beautiful ship? And this was almost like a catamaran boat, more or less. It was like a 35-minute trek out there. We started with a shipwreck. I will say this, it was a pretty bumpy ride. As you can see on this boat, they provided drinks, alcohol drinks for adults, and then like pop and water and all that for the kids. It was a packed house. Compared to our first one yesterday, where we didn't have that many people, this seemed like our boat probably couldn't hold anybody else, but we did it. We loved it once again. It was easier to get off this part. So here we are snorkeling, so enjoy. No, Lola! I got you. This is what step, so hold on to the rope, so just come walking out. Yeah, just like last time. There's some black fish under here. I see them. See? Just like yesterday. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, okay, well, let's get in the water. You can see them better. That's from the. Oh, yeah, my snorkel. Where the heck's my pipe? Okay, so as you can see, for the entry for kids, it was really easy. My kids caught on quick. They just took to it like fish and water. Mwaha. They really liked it. If I had to choose between the two excursions from yesterday, which one I would do today, I would do the one from Tortola. I'm not sure I would pick this one again. It was neat, but we didn't see as much. Like my kids like the other one. There were plenty of fish. You could see the shipwreck. I'll show it to you when I go with my son. My daughter was a little scared to go near the ship because it kind of did look like a big black shadowy pit. But I will show my son and I snorkeling. But as you can see, look, my daughter's 6. She had a really great time. There's the ship. Everyone was having fun, a drink, whatever. It was good. So right here is when I tried to like swim closer to the shipwreck, and my daughter caught me. She was like, no, not doing it. But as you can see, like, it was a really great excursion for kids, especially first timers and first time cruisers. So here I am with my son, and enjoy this. One of the cool things we got to do is they let us jump off the side of the catamaran, which was kind of cool because like it seemed high to kids, so it was pretty awesome. And if you watch my son when he goes, he actually goes quite deep. Like I was surprised. And also, if you notice, my daughter is coming up to me with a Diet Coke because someone gave that to her while I was snorkeling with my son. Thank you to whomever gave my 6-year-old a Diet Coke. But yeah, we had super fun, and I thought it was a cool way to end it. So, and then you watch me jump off, look at me go. Here we go. Okay, make sure if you do the shipwreck snorkeling in St. Thomas that you visit ice cold slushies right after. Look, we got a bamboo straw that says St. Thomas. We have virgin daiquiris. Cheers, my lady. And we had a great time snorkeling. So all in all, a good day here on St. Thomas. And now it's time to head back towards the ship. Okay, and both days we did the snorkeling. I was a little worried. I got 2 youngins. She just turned 6 and my son will be turning 8. But both of them had a great time. Like, there is a learning curve. It took a second, but we all figured it out. Everyone had a good time. We saw the fish. We saw jellyfish. I will include my GoPro footage. So tonight, relax. Tomorrow, it had Sea Day, where you can join us while we tour the ship some more. Ooh, what kind did you get? Orange water. I'm gonna go with orange water.
I want it.
Myself. I'll drink it.
Can I try them all?
No. I just have to say this. Every time we come back, our room is clean. It is organized. Oh, he moved the little thingies to over our bed. The little... Yeah.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Never mind that. I take that back. But everything, like, I can't explain how good it feels to come back to a clean room. Look at that. He does it every time. Makes my day. Okay, I went with the signature cocktail. And so did the kids the Star Night. I kept calling it Starlight. This is shampoo, some champagne, the Moet Ice. Okay, I got the prosciutto as an appetizer. My husband got the Rockefeller shrimp. And what else is that? The tiger shrimp?
That's the tiger shrimp.
So odd. We got some fruit. Okay, so we were obsessed with whatever that sauce was. We finished it. And then the kids' menus have such little fun games to play against each other while you're having dinner. We always keep the kids entertained. There's our guy Kevin, he's our, and then Bennett. Okay, and then I got that salad with the salmon and the peanut. Oh no, here she comes. The seagull. My husband got the beefsteak tomato salad. So there we go. On this night, it was lobster tail night. So as you can see, I had 1. I had 2 total. My husband had 3. Whoopsies. Kyle, don't you?
Rosa. Oh, look at it going down on the side. Look at that. Whoa, dude. Yes. Yeah, dude.
Oh, it's good.
You want me to take this out?
2. Okay. Lola. Ready.
Put your hands out. Yep.
Get ready.
As always, I have to give a shout out to our head server, Bennett, if you ever get him. And this was, I guess, the assistant server, Kevin. He would always have magic tricks, always have like a brain teaser. Every meal, my kids were engaged. We talked. I don't think we've had such great family conversations as we had on our Disney cruise. It was so fun to see them interacting with other adults, just having a good time, relaxing at dinner. Like, see if you see my son, he is loving it. So shout out if you ever get on the Disney Fantasy. Make sure you ask for Bennett from Jamaica. And this is Kevin from India. Love you guys. Honestly, when we come back on the ship, we are asking for you both. So enjoy his trick here. In the main atrium, we could always find characters. They were everywhere. I think next cruise will focus more on that. It was great seeing them.
Mommy, dinner's taller than chips.
After dinner, we were always able to go to the clubs. We loved Ooh La La. So here's our champagne we got.
Which one should I start with?
Depends what you like. You like something more light or more deep?
Light.
We ended our night in the tube for the marriage game. So fun. Highly recommend it.
Sarah goes, what? Song number 1. Is that a match? So it's not that one, so it's either almost there or it's a small world.
Here's proof I wear normal clothes. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.